Hello, welcome and welcome back. If it's your first time here, please consider joining the family by subscribing and hitting the notification bell. Let's get to it. First, you want to make sure that your eyebrows are trimmed before you go in with a brown line pencil to draw them according to their shape. You want to go in as lightly as possible, making sure that you don't stress so much on the light eye pencil. Also, after doing that, you want to take a brown concealer, a lighter concealer depending on your skin tone, and draw your brows, making sure that you spread the concealer on your upper lid like I am doing. Therefore, after that, go in with the eyeshadow of your choice. After that, take a light foundation and highlight these respective areas just like I have done, starting from your eye area, passing through your nose until up to your lip area. This will make sure that it exaggerates your features, so be keen and do not use any darker foundation. Always make sure you take your time and that you're not in a hurry to ensure that you achieve precision and symmetry. Do not forget to take up a fluffy brush and just rub it in those areas to make sure that it spreads seamlessly. And take your time, ladies, take your time. Next, take an lip liner of your choice and go in and draw your lips. I'm using a maroon color for now. At the end, you'll see what are the options that I'm gonna go for. Pick what works for your skin tone, and this is just something that I like. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So do you want to take a little bit of your foundation and highlight your lip area after applying your lip color, your lip liner, or your lipstick of your choice? Following that, take a brown setting powder and highlight on top of the areas that you had applied your foundation. I'm using more and more lighter powder, for my skin tone, and this is how it looks. It helps the foundation sit in and it doesn't look pasty by the time I will be done. So by the end of it all, it will leave you looking soft and flawless. Here I'm underlighting I'm underlighting my cheekbones with a darker powder from Sephora. I am just doing this to give my face, you should do in those specific areas to make sure that it blends well with your skin tone, and also it will give your face a smaller look. Then go in with a lighter powder and highlight under your eye area and around your nose, just like I am doing. But you have to make sure that at the corner of your eye you have to lift it up, like apply the powder while lifting it up, so that it gives an illusion of a lifted face. This is what it looks like. And then you want to take so that is the sponge that I'm talking about. Blend, no, pump, like just pump it in as many times as you can to make sure that it settles in. After that, I went in with a brighter lip color to cover up on top of the matte lip liner that I had applied, to make sure that my lip pops, because clearly my eyes, I went on with a more neutral or calm eyeshadow. Sure, that is a setting spray, so it helps it stay for come out and stuff, so it just to set it in. And here is the final look, guys. I am so happy and proud of myself. This is a look that you can wear while going out to run errands, while meeting other people, where your friends or family. To go, ladies. I hope you enjoy and learned one or two things.
Thank you so much for watching the entire video. I appreciate you. If you've not subscribed, please support your girl. It will mean a lot to me. And hit the notification bell for more content. Until another time, bye bye.